Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and in today's video I wanted to talk a little bit about this card, this holiday card that I posted on my blog, and it is using the colors Island Indigo and Pool Party. I thought it would be a really pretty combination for a wintry type card, and let me just tell you a little bit about it. These images are from the Winter Post stamp set. This is one of my favorite sets. It's so pretty and got quite a variety of images here. You see you have a stamp postage cancellation stamp, a reindeer, skaters, a snowflake. There's a to and from stamp here. It's little bitty. Postcard, and do not open till December 25th. So it's a very versatile set. Only comes in wood mount because it was created before Stampin' Up! Came out with the wood clear mount stamps. And on this card I used the snowflake in Versamark and then used iridescent ice embossing powder to emboss to make it sparkly. And I have some of the images just stamped randomly on the card. This is the postcard image, and then the little postage cancellation image there. And for here I have put a link, if you'll go to my blog for this post. I believe it is scheduled to post on October the 18th, and I have a link to the video tutorial that explains how I used the scallop circle punch to get this different looking image here that's behind the reindeer. If you're on YouTube, you can do a search on my channel, Lisa Brown Ink, for, I believe it's called Scallop Circle Punch with a Twist, and it'll show you the basic steps in doing this. And in this one I kind of off-centered when I turn the punch, and if you watch the video you'll see what I mean, so that I could get a little burst, kind of like a snowflake symbol behind the reindeer. So I just wanted something a little different. Rather than uniform little spikes, I wanted just alternating large and small with the little scallops there. And like I said, the video will help explain that a little better. Now, I use this 1 3/4 inch scallop circle punch, and there's something else I wanted to tell you that's a tip. If you go to use your punches and they start scraping or getting hard to punch, like this one, it was really hard for me to punch this out. And what I need to do is sharpen them. And the way you do that is you punch it through aluminum foil a couple of times and then go through wax paper. Now, I don't have any wax paper with me today, so I didn't demonstrate this for you, but that's what you do. Through aluminum foil and then through wax paper, and that kind of sharpens up the edges and makes your punches work a little smoothly after you've been using them for a while. Now, another tip, to completely aside from the punch for today, is when you're creating holiday cards, in order for them to go through the mail with just the standard amount of first-class postage, you want them to be pretty much as flat as possible. And so on this card, I didn't use any dimensional adhesive at all. I just used Tombow to adhere everything. Probably the most dimension here is the little rhinestone that I glued, just stuck right there. And but that will make it a lot easier for you. I have done holiday cards in the past with ribbons and everything, and some of them I've had to add extra postage. If you don't want to have to do that, just make sure you can have several layers, but keep them as one-dimensional as possible. Don't put any dimensional adhesive or use big bulky buttons or ribbons if you're going to do these in mass. So that's just a few little tips for you today. If you have any questions, email me at lisa@inkandinspirations.com. Thanks for tuning in, and if you need anything, just let me know. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.